Looking for a powerful, adaptable drill that's packed with professional features? Meet the Bosch 1800C, a standout 18-volt cordless drill and driver designed for everyone from DIY enthusiasts to pro tradespeople. Let's dive into what makes this tool a top choice for efficient and precise work on any project. Bosch built this model with durability and portability in mind. It's a solidly constructed yet compact drill, weighing in at just over 2 pounds as a bare tool, and about 3.5 pounds with the battery, making it easy to handle even for extended periods. The body has a sturdy rubberized grip, giving users enhanced control and comfort. Plus, the layout is ergonomic and balanced, designed to reduce strain on your wrists and arm during prolonged use. The build incorporates Bosch's advanced amp-share battery system, which provides more runtime on each charge and allows cross-compatibility with other Bosch amp-share 18-volt tools. This versatility makes the Bosch particularly appealing if you already use other tools from the 18-volt lineup. The Bosch drill is highly versatile, offering reliable power and precision with its 565 in-pounds of max torque, enough to drive large screws and handle medium to heavy duty applications. Its 2-speed transmission lets you switch between 0 to 600 RPM for controlled high torque applications and 0 to 1900 RPM for high speed drilling. This adaptability means it can easily handle a range of materials, from wood and drywall to certain metals. One of its key features is kickback control, Bosch's intelligent safety function that senses when the tool is in danger of excessive rotation, such as if the bit jams, and immediately shuts it down to protect the user. It also connects via Bluetooth to the Bosch Toolbox app, which allows users to adjust performance settings, check the battery status, and track usage data, ideal for maintaining efficiency on complex projects. Compared to its rivals such as the DeWalt and Makita, Bosch offers comparable power but stands out with its built-in connectivity, amp-share battery compatibility, and kickback control feature. While DeWalt and Makita both have strong reputations for durability, Bosch's additional tech integration provides users with a unique blend of power and control, making it especially suited for professionals who rely on data for tool maintenance and inventory tracking. The Bosch drill generally retails around $200 to $250 for the bare tool, with kits including batteries and chargers available for a bit more. The price point is competitive for the features included, especially when you consider the long-term value added by amp-share battery compatibility and Bosch's safety and connectivity features. You can find it on Amazon, so check out the link in the video description if you're ready to add it to your toolkit. Now, let's break down the main advantages and potential drawbacks so you can decide if this tool is the right choice for your needs. Cons: price, higher than basic models. Weight, slightly heavy for extended use. Battery, often sold without high-capacity battery included. Pros: torque, high power for versatile use. Safety, kickback control protects users. App connectivity, customizable settings and performance monitoring. Battery compatibility, amp-share battery system for cross-tool use. Durability, built to withstand heavy-duty work environments. If you're looking for a tough, tech-integrated drill for versatile use, the Bosch could be the perfect upgrade. Tap the Amazon link below to check the latest prices, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on what tool you'd like to see us review next.